Do you struggle painting clouds? Is this you? No! Doesn't look like a cloud! Why is this so hard? Should be relaxing. How's Bob do it? Looks like a demented cotton ball. Art! If it is, don't worry. I've got an awesome tool right here in my hand that's gonna transform the way you paint. Trust me, you're not gonna wanna miss what this is. Let's go. Hey, Wild here to help you on your creative adventures. If this is your first time here and you need help with how-tos, tips, tutorials, things like that, you came to the right spot. Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. Let's be honest, painting clouds is really tough. For some of us, it's the bane of our painting existence. So what is this awesome magical tool that I have right here in my hands that's gonna transform the way you paint? Well, here we go. Oh, it's nothing. Fooled you. It's a metaphor for confidence and how you just need to believe in yourself. No, I'm actually just kidding. It's a real tool. It's right here. It's actually shop paper towels. This stuff is amazing for your painting career. And the whole reason why is because how it absorbs paint off your canvas. You see, when you paint, there's a lot of variables that go into making a cloud work well for acrylics and oil. And the more variables you add, the tougher it gets. Hey, maybe you have too strong of a base coat, or your paint's too wet, or your paintbrush is just getting contaminated every time you put paint on your canvas and it mutes out your cloud. There's a lot of things that are variables that can make it difficult for you. And if that seems like that's something you're struggling with, hey, you know what? Get these and get these ASAP. The proper way to use this tool to make sure that you have clouds go on properly is to first drop in your background. Now, you have to visualize where you think your cloud's going to be. And when you can visualize it, hey, by the way, it's okay to do an outline of a cloud so that way you have a better idea. Once you do that, take a nice sheet of this paper towel, and I want you to rub off and rub out, hey, whichever one you want, keep your mind out of the gutters, ladies, all of the excess paint. And the reason this is gonna help is because when you put on your titanium white or whatever color cloud you wanna put in there, it's gonna have something to stick to and it's gonna stop the contamination process that is muting out your cloud. Essentially, what these paper towels are accomplishing for us is giving us a better foundation for our paint to stick on. The biggest mistake a lot of people make right off the bat is they just have too much paint on the canvas, and thus when they introduce new paint, it just becomes a big mismatched mesh of colors getting contaminated and nothing sticks out, and you want that contrasting colors. So if you can use these paper towels properly, hey, you're gonna be in a good spot to create beautiful landscapes. So you're probably wondering, do I have to use these shop towels right here? No, you don't. You can use regular paper towels. However, these are not as good as this. And the reason why is regular paper towels are meant to break down. So when you take your square and you try to rub out your paint, the paper towel is actually gonna break down, which means it's gonna leave particles behind. It's gonna leave little pieces of paper towel behind, which can contaminate your painting or leave bumps for when it dries that looks bad. So these will work in a pinch, but you're way better off with these. Plus, these are made to absorb a lot more material. No joke, these paper towels are one of my favorite tools for painting, especially if you're struggling. Wipe off the excess paint, you're good to rock and roll, and you can use them on so many things. Clouds are probably one of the most clutch spots to do it. So if you're struggling, and I mean really struggling, get these. Trust me, it'll help transform the way you paint. Now, if you still struggle with putting clouds on your canvas, I've got two great videos that show you how to make clouds in seconds. Also, different ways to make clouds that you can use these paper towels on to make excellent, beautiful clouds. I'm gonna put those videos over here to the side so that way you can become a cloud master. And until next time, all you beautiful people, take care, stay creative, and of course, peace.